What's going on, animals? Animal here for you. The recording of this is March 25th, 2026. My birthday is tomorrow, March 26th. I will be 53 years young, as the girls do it. Lots of gray in the beard, a little bit of gray in the eyebrows. It's what happens when you get older. I have been blasting out videos on my birthday. That's the plan, is to blast out a bunch of videos. So that's kind of my gift to you guys for my birthday. But look, I want to react to my favorite band of all time. And most of you probably won't even know who this is. Living Sacrifice is a new metal band that came out 35 years ago, something. Now, originally, I was not into the band. The original lineup was DJ on bass. Lance Garvin is the drummer. I'll get back to him. Bruce Fitzhugh, guitar player. And then I cannot remember who the bass player was back then. Or excuse me, not the bass player, the other guitar players, because DJ, the lead singer, was the bass player. DJ left. They had a new lineup. They kind of disappeared for a little bit. So the first two albums I was not into at all. I wasn't into the death metal vocals type style back then. This is like in the 90s, early 90s. Bruce Fitzhugh takes over on vocals. They changed their sound a little bit to this new metal. Arthur takes over on bass. And they bring in Rocky Gray as their other guitar player. That's the current lineup that they've had for probably 25 years. They don't do touring. I wish they did, because I've missed seeing them. I haven't seen them in a long time. But this song, Bloodwork, is one of my favorite songs ever. It's one of my PR songs at the gym, meaning if I'm going to go for something heavy, I've got a list of like 5 or 6 songs that I figure out at the time that I go, which one do I want that's going to get me amped up? This is one of them. So this is at Furnace Fest, which is in Alabama. This was last October. This is Bloodwork live. As most metal songs go, the recording sounds better than the live. I have seen this, but I wanted to bring it to you guys because this is a band I've been wanting to cover. I should have worn their shirt. I literally bought the shirt that was from this Furnace Fest. And because it was, I haven't had a Living Sacrifice shirt in forever. So anyways, I'm not going to talk anymore. This is Living Sacrifice, Bloodwork. Lance Garvin, the drummer, is one of my influences, inspirations. When I started learning how to play drums, I picked up a lot from him. I can't play like him exactly, obviously, but I love his style. Let's go, man. They brought in a percussionist back in because this is a anniversary of the Hammering Process album. They had a percussionist around that time.
Looking for a way. Something gonna crack the call out.
Yes. This is where Lance Garvin, the drummer, just kills his China. Yes! blow, blah, blow. Break the skin! I love this freaking song. Yeah. It design began break the skin. Beautiful backdrop too. Sun setting. Look, here's a little trivia for you. Rocky Gray, the guitar player for Living Sacrifice, was the drummer on the Evanescence video, Bring Me to Life. For real. He was the drummer in that band for a little bit when Living Sacrifice was kind of on a, I don't want to say a hiatus, but they were in between albums. And again, they weren't touring, so it's like, go make a couple bucks. My understanding is he does a lot of music for video games, like horror flick movies and video games and stuff like that. Bruce, the guy with the long hair, he's like a super quiet guy. Then you put him on a stage and he's just a freaking animal. And then Lance. So when I first saw Living Sacrifice many, many years ago, as you see, the drummer, Lance, he'd wear the bandana and he'd wear his hat. So all you would see is this. And he would literally beat the crap out of his China cymbal. I'm talking front hand, back hand, all that. Like, it was a redheaded stepchild, man. He was destroying that China cymbal. And I was like, oh, that's me. I got to do that. So I'm going to back this up a little bit. I just love this song. Freaking love it. Freaking love it.
What's the fastest way to go viral right now?
I don't know. So that's Living Sacrifice. Living Sacrifice. Oh my gosh. Bloodwork. Go check out their stuff, man. I think they got about 5 or 6 albums out over their whole catalog. This is off the Hammering Process. The album came out 25 years ago-ish. 25 years ago-ish. And it's one of my favorites. But honestly, I love all their songs. Just their style. These guys are probably, I think they're at least my age, maybe even a little bit older. But I wanted to bring Living Sacrifice to you guys. And so, there you go. I finally got to do it. I should have wore the freaking t-shirt, but I think it's dirty because I love wearing that shirt. Anyways, thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subscribes. Thanks for supporting the channel. That's it. Again, it's my birthday, and I'm not the type of guy that has to have a bunch of gifts and crazy stuff like that. It's nice to be acknowledged when it's your birthday, But also, I'm just happy I'm still alive and I'm mostly healthy. The body aches a lot, obviously. I do have I do have a powerlifting competition this Sunday. So, wish me some good thoughts and prayers on that. I will be doing what's called push-pull. I'm not squatting this go around. My knee has been jacked up for a couple months. So I've been trying to nurse that back. So I'm just doing bench and deadlifts. But I will literally be, out of 41 competitors, the oldest person there. Don't know how to feel about that. But guess what? This is year 10 of me doing this. And I freaking love powerlifting. So I'll put up some videos after I do my competition sometime next week. So remember, live loud, lift heavy, and burn slow. This is Animal.